it's like stir frying, working on a wok. So if you've ever cooked or if you've ever worked on a wok before, you know, it's all about timing, right? It's all about making sure that you're constantly moving the ice cream around, making sure that everything kind of freezes evenly. You're incorporating all the flavors and the mixes so that you're not having like huge chunks of stuff around still. Folding and scraping. You have to really pay attention. It's all about timing. This is Sota Hot Cold. So this is a ice cream shop that specializes in Thai rolled ice cream. It's a little twist on your traditional ice cream. So what it is it's basically ice cream that is made fresh right in front of the customers on a ice cold pan. So you basically pour in the ice cream that's in the liquid form, mixed. People have different ways of doing it, but you know, my mix is homemade, it's original, it's my recipe. And so you pour that right on there, freezing pan, and then basically that freezing pan acts kind of like, they call it stir-fried ice cream. So it's like a wok, right? So it's basically the same concept, except with a flaming hot wok, it's a freezing cold wok that basically, you know, you stir up and create the ice cream. And so that's the nickname for it too, is it's stir-fried ice cream. Churns it right in front of you, makes it fresh, and then you flatten it up, and then you roll it right up into ice cream, put it into a cup, top it however you want, custom made just for you. It got popularized in Southeast Asia, specifically Thailand, in the night markets. I guess it was something that they had been doing for a long time, actually. So this isn't something new to Southeast Asia, but I think with the blow up of kind of like social media and like the Instagram world and the Facebook world, you know, people went over there, took videos of it, and then it just kind of blew up from there, and it got popularized kind of in those Thai street markets. I try to keep it kind of traditional, kind of, you know, staying true to kind of what ice cream is and what people know, right? So I try to not incorporate all these crazy exotic flavors in what I try to develop in my menu. That's the last thing that I want to do, is kind of pigeonhole this whole idea into like something that's foreign and something that's not familiar. So I really want to stay true to kind of like what ice cream is fundamentally, you know. So I try to stay with the like really like traditional flavors like vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, hazelnut, right? Just the really traditional flavors that people are familiar with, so that they know that this is an ice cream spot and not a Thai rolled ice cream spot. What's unique is like I think that like the culture of kind of like food right now is shifting to kind of like customization and originality, right? And so a lot of people are really attracted to the ability that they can like pick and choose what goes into their ice cream. And here we have the ability to do that. You know, what flavor, what base ice cream they have, what goes into their ice cream, what gets topped. So them just being able to customize that, and then also being able to like visually see their ice cream be made right in front of them, versus in traditional scoop shops or traditional places, you know, it's all there and then it's just scooped out of a bucket and just put on a cone or something like that. And then you get to watch it. Yeah, I mean, I think that's one of the most fun. Like I tell some people, like, I think that people that come in here actually enjoy the making of the ice cream than the actual ice cream itself. But don't get me wrong, the ice cream's awesome.